So labor variances. So this is the question number one. Question says standard time for the job. A particular job standard time is 1000 hours. Labor का standard time 1000 hours है. Standard rate decided by the company per hour is 0.5. मतलब per hour 0.5 rate है. Then actual time taken for particular job is 900 hours. And then actual wages paid is rupees 360. This is the question. Now we have to divide this data into two parts, standard and actual. Okay, so what are the standard hours decided, what is the standard rate, and by multiplication of this we will get standard cost. So standard hours are 1000, standard rate is 0.5, तो 1000 0.5 standard cost आ गया 500. ठीक है, actually actual hours spent, actual rate they have paid and actual cost. तो actual hours कितने 900, actual rate is not given, they have given the cost, actual wages paid 360. So actually actual hours into actual rate is actual cost, but we can determine 360 divided by 900, so it comes 0.4. 0.4 is the actual rate. 360 divided by 900 per hour rate is 0.4. So this is the data. So once this data is arrived, this is for a particular job. Okay, ये जो डेटा है, दिस डेटा स्टैंडर्ड एंड एक्चुअल शुड बी फॉर अ कॉमन जॉब या कॉमन आउटपुट या कॉमन प्रोडक्शन के लिए होना चाहिए. ओके, so this is for a particular job. Now see how to calculate variances. So first variance is labor cost variance. Okay, so labor cost variance कैसे आता है, मैंने standard cost minus actual cost. So how much standard cost is 500, standard cost 500 and actual cost is 360. So difference is 140. So tell me, this variance is favorable or adverse? As you can see, standard cost we have decided 500, but actual cost is 360. So we saved 140. That's why this variance is favorable variance. Okay. Second is labor efficiency variance. What is the formula? Standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate. Okay. So standard hours are decided 1000 and actual hours are 900. Standard rate is 0.5, as you can see from this data. So 1000 minus 900, 100 into 0.5, 50. So 50 again, this is favorable. Why it is favorable? Because हमने standard hour decide किए थे 1000, but actually labor में कितने spend किए 900. तो 100 hours हमारे पास ये that's why variance is favorable. Third variance is labor rate variance. That is difference of rate, standard rate minus actual rate into actual hours. So standard rate is 0.5, actual rate is 0.4. You can take all this data from this, and actual hours are how much 900. So what is the calculation? 0.1, 0.5 minus 0.4, 0.1 into 900, how much 90. Again this variance is favorable. Why it is favorable? Because standard rate we have decided 0.5, but actual rate we have paid 0.4 to 0.1 we have paid less. That's why this amount is saved. So all these variances are favorable variance. So let's see by reconciliation these variances are right or wrong. So labor cost variance is the addition of labor efficiency variance plus labor rate variance. Okay, so your cost variance is 140 favorable, efficiency variance is 50 favorable, and rate variance comes 90 favorable. So 90 plus 50, 140 favorable. So our variances are right. This is a simple question for the labor variance. Now we will see next question for the labor variance.
Right.
Now this is the second example for labor variance. Let's see. For 10 units, कितने हैं? For 10 units of product Z, एक product Z है, उसके लिए standard data दिया है. Standard data is given. Labor they have decided 200 hours. एक labor 200 hours काम करेगा at the rate of 2.5 per hour. उसका rate दिया है. They are going to pay to labor 2 point per hour. But actual data, what is Actual production they have given 2000 units. कितने यूनिट दे दें? Standard they have decided for 10,000, but actually how much production happens? 2000. And actually how much labor hours are worked? 39,600 hours labors work at the rate of 2.6 per hour. Actual rate they have paid 2.6. The actual rate is different. Sorry, actual rate is 2.6, but standard rate is 2.5. So we need two data, standard and actual. Okay, standard and actual. Right. We need standard hours, standard rate by multiplication we get standard cost. Then we need actual hours, actual rate by multiplication we get actual cost. Okay. So in this case, the standard is given for 10 unit, but actual is given for 2000. So in this हमको क्या करना है? First write standard. So standard, sorry, first write actual. Actual कितना दिया है? 39,600 hours. They are paid at the rate of 2.6. So 39,600 into 2.6, how much? 1,02,960. This is the actual cost. Standard they have given for 10 units. So in this case we need revised standard. Okay, हमको क्या चाहिए? Revised standard, because 10 का 2000 से comparison नहीं हो सकता. You can't compare 10 units with the 2000. So we need revised standard for 2000. The standard is given for 10,000. So we need revised standard hours for actual production. Yeah, actual output. Okay. So for 10 units of product Z, labor is work for 200 hours as per the standard data. Okay. So how actually we have produced 2000 units. So for 2000 units, how much should be the hours? Okay. So 2000 into 200 divided by 10. The answer is 40,000 hours. So this is the revised hours. Okay. तो स्टैंडर्ड आवर्स आ गए हमारे कितने? 40,000. Standard rate we have paid is 2.5. So 40,000 to 2.5, and standard cost comes 1 lakh. Now this comparison is possible. Now we can calculate differences. Now we can say this is data for 2000 units. For 2000 standard data is this, and for 2000 units actual data is this. So first variance is labor cost variance. What is the formula? Standard cost minus actual cost. तो standard cost कितना है? 1 lakh. Actual cost कितना है? 1,02,960. So difference कितना है? 2,960. And this variance is adverse. Why adverse? Because standard cost हमने डिसाइड किया था 1,000, but actual cost कितना है? 1,02,960 to 2,960 extra we have paid to laborers. That's why the variance is adverse. Second variance is labor efficiency variance. तो labor efficiency का formula है standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate. Okay. So standard hours, how much are standard hours? 40,000. Actual hours are 39,600 into standard rate 2.5. So 40,000 minus 39,600, how much? 400. 400 into 2.5, it will become 1,000. Favorable. Why favorable? Because standard hours we have decided 40,000, but actually labors are worked for 39,600. We saved 400 hours. Third variance is labor rate variance. So difference of rate, standard rate minus actual rate into actual hours. So standard rate is 2.5, actual rate is 2.6 into actual hours 39,600. Barabar? So what is the calculation? 2.5 minus 2.6, 0.1. 0.1 into 39,600, 3960. 3960, and this variance is adverse. Why adverse? Because standard rate we have is 2.5 and actual rate we have paid 2.6. That means 0.1 we paid extra. That's why the variance is adverse. Now let's see reconciliation. Reconciliation हो रहा है कि नहीं देखना पड़ेगा. So your labor cost variance is the addition of labor efficiency variance plus labor rate variance. So cost variance is 2960, adverse efficiency variance 1000, favorable, and rate variance is 3960, adverse. Now here adverse is more, so by adjusting 1000 favorable, calculation is 2960 adverse. That means our variances are right. So these are the two examples we have taken for this video. So you practice such examples at home, practice it more and more. Then you will see how these variances are calculated. If you have any difficulty queries, you can contact me or you can comment on my YouTube page. I will reply you. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.